simple steps forward. 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. The right hand. Yeah, make here. The right hand. 4 steps around. Around 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3. On that side. Always in a circle around the room. So one more time, 4 steps forward. Around the room. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Now we slide the position of the man and the lady. Take a look, take a look. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 steps and back. 2 steps. One more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps forward again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Front vis-a-vis. Balance with the right and with the left. Take a look. 1, back, and 3, back. Everybody with the right first and with the left. 1, back, 3, back. Good. Forward again, 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. With 2 hands. Take a look first. New balance. And then with the dumb move. And then we turn the lady to the next man. So one more time. What you get? One more time. New balance. Right. Back. Turn the ladies to the next man. We start from the beginning. 4 simple steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. With the right. Around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balancez avec la droite. En arrière. À gauche. En arrière. Ah, Fabio, grazie. Dai, non ho sbagliato. La prossima. E 1, forward. 2, 3, 4. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balancez with the right. Back. With the left. Back. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balancez with 2 hands. And we turn the ladies to the next man. One more time. 4 steps forward. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balance with the right and back, and with the left and back. Forward again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balance with 2 hands. Back and to the left. Are you ready? Yes. We start straight with 4 steps. And go. Other one is that? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the men here, the ladies there. All the men here. All the men in this side, the ladies in front. Thank you. Man. Did you dance with me? Hey, John.